Assalamu alaikum, peace be upon you all. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make finger fish. So for this I have taken 3 to 400 grams. This is not exactly, it is in between 3 to 400 grams of fish. This was a fish fillet which I cut into finger fish. If you want you can use it as a biscuit, but I have cut it into finger. Next you'll need 1 cup of flour. I have taken less right now. I'll add more when I need more. 1 egg, 1 beaten egg, and 1 cup of breadcrumbs. And I've put a oil in the pan, and it's heating right now. And you'll need a lemon. First I'm going to add some salt to the fish. You're just going to wait, I'll show you. You're going to add salt as it covers the whole side of the fish fillet. Don't be afraid of putting salt, and turn the sides. And now I'm going to add more salt. After adding salt, I'm going to add some black pepper. Again, turn sides. Next, I'm going to squeeze 1 lemon. If you don't have a lemon, you can use vinegar, but I would prefer lemon. After I've marinated the fish, now I'm going to take 1 finger, coat it with flour, and then I'm going to dip it in the egg mixture. This is just a plain beaten egg. I've added nothing to it. Next, I'm going to coat it with breadcrumbs. If you are a bit off, if you don't feel easy using your hands, you can use a fork. But I am completely easy with my hands. After coating, I'm going to set it aside. I'm going to take the next piece, coat it with flour. So guys, this is how your fish will look like after it has been coated with breadcrumbs. Now I have a pan with hot oil. As we want it to have golden brown color like this, not dark brown. This is on a tissue paper, and I'm going to let the oil dry on the tissue paper, and then I'm going to transfer them in another plate. Right now they're very hot. When they cool down, I'm going to show you how they look from inside. So we're going to break one. I'm going to show you the fish. See, it's flaky. That means it's done. And it's still hot, but it's still crispy. You can hear this. See, it's crispy.